welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for GM's 2003 to 2025 1500 and 2500 vans. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities and follow all manufacturer's safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Lift and support the vehicle and remove the spare tire. Clear any lines or brackets from the work area. Step 3. Locate the center rear body mount near the rear of the frame, next to the spare tire crossmember. Unbolt the mount and bushing from the body, then cut the factory mount from the frame at its base. Step 4. Grind the frame rail to bare metal where the mount was attached to the frame. Apply weld-through primer to the prepared area. Step 5. Before installation, paint the top and bottom of the replacement mount where the bushing and bolt will contact it. We suggest our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Step 6. Bolt the replacement mount and bushing to the body to hold the mount in position. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the mount in place. Verify alignment, then fully weld all contact points between the mount and frame rail. Step 7. Paint the remaining exposed areas of the mount with rust protectant. Reinstall any lines or brackets removed during preparation, then reinstall the spare tire.